Hello, welcome to the National Literacy Agency online storytelling program. Today I have a story from 147 traditional stories for primary schools. Today's story is called How Butterflies Came to Be. So it is story time. You look and you listen. Well done. The Creator made the world so perfect. The sky, the sun that separated day from night, the moon that gave the light at night, beautiful birds, the ocean with its beautiful fish, man, woman, child, forests, everything was created to give so much joy and love. It is the story about joy. It is the story about much love. The birds were flying. The snakes were slithering, the fish were swimming. Everything seemed to be perfect. When the Creator was ready, he slept, and slept for a long time. When he woke up, he took a walk around the world to make sure that everything that was created was doing well. Still, the birds were flying, the fish were swimming, the snake was slithering. It seemed perfect, and everything seemed to be fine. The children were so happy. They played, they laughed. There was so much joy, there was so much love. But when the Creator looked at the grown-ups, at their parents, they were working and working and working. They were worried and worrying for their families. There was no joy. That was not in his plan. The Creator walked to the forest, and there, in a teepee tent, was a very old lady smoking her pipe. And the Creator sat down beside her and said, "All the children are happy. There is so much joy. But the grown-ups, they are only working. They are only worrying. No, this was not in my plan." And the old lady looked down and said, Make something to give them joy." And the Creator knew exactly what to do. He collected the moonlight reflection on the water in a bag, collected beautiful flowers, the petals. He even collected the scent, the pollen, all the beautiful things. He put them in a bag, and he was breathing in this bag. He was breathing the breath of joy, the breath of love. There was so much warmth, so much love, so much joy. And out of that bag came out butterflies. Beautiful butterflies with all the rainbow colors. And the butterflies flew to the village. And when the children saw the butterflies, they screamed, they shouted, They're beautiful, they're beautiful. And they ran to chase them. Again, there was so much joy and laughter and love. And for a while, the parents stopped working. They stopped worrying. They looked up and saw the butterflies. They looked at their children and they saw them happy. They saw that there was so much joy. Even though it was for a little while, they stopped from working. They stopped worrying. And every time they looked at the butterfly, they smiled. So you see, that is why when you see a butterfly, you smile. So that is the end of my story today. I do hope that it has brought you so much love and joy. Thank you very much for joining us and listening. Until the next story, bye-bye for now.